In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Wix. Whether you're an experienced web designer or just starting out, adding drop-down menus can make your website navigation seamless and more intuitive for visitors. So let's dive in and make your site more user-friendly. First things first, head over to wix.com. Once you're there, log in with your account details. After you've successfully logged in, locate and select your site. Now, this will bring us one step closer to the editing phase where we'll be working some magic. Next, you'll want to open your site's editor. This is where the real fun begins. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice several icons. You'll need to find the one labeled Menus and Pages. It's easy to spot because it looks like a page with a folded corner. Give that a click and you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your website. These are the items displayed in your main menu, and it's from here that we can create our drop-down. Now comes the exciting part, organizing your menu to your needs. Locate the page you wish to nest inside the drop-down menu. Click and hold it with your mouse. This is where a little bit of drag and drop magic comes into play. You'll want to drag that selected page directly beneath the page you desire as your main drop-down title. As you move it, watch carefully. You'll need to drag it slightly to the right until you see a line appear, indicating that you've successfully connected it as a subpage. Once you see that indicator line, you can go ahead and release the mouse button. And just like that, you've set it. The page is now positioned as a subpage under the main drop-down title. This means visitors will see it nested under the parent page in the navigation menu. If you have more pages that you'd like to include in this dropdown, simply repeat the same process for each one. Select Drag underneath the main title, shift it to the right slightly, release, and voila! They're all neatly tucked away under one single top-level menu item. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've transformed a simple menu into a structured and organized drop-down menu. This creation process not only declutters your main navigation, but also enhances your site's overall user experience, making it easier for visitors to find the content they need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget